So Anushka, welcome to Times of India.
Thank you so much.
And the promos are looking very promising. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and we are seeing you in a different avatar this time. Last was mythological offering. So, what is your character? What is the show all about?
Thank you for your kind words. I am really looking forward to all the surprises that you guys are going to get in the show. मेरे character के बारे में मैं ये कहूँगी कि अपना time भी आएगा is a very different, like you said. Nobody has seen me in this avatar personally or professionally. So मेरे लिए बहुत ही interesting है because रानी एक गांव से है, बलिया से, and she has that Bihari accent. And as Anushka, I've been in Mumbai for about 14 years, and I am a typical city Mumbai millennial. So for me, it's like a 180-degree switch.
Right.
To go from this posh state to ekdam gaunti. So I am enjoying this because I think if as an actor, if any role challenges me, it's a very big thing for me because I have to work harder. I have to work on myself and think about the character, explore every day.
Right.
तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है because Rani is mastikor, but at the same time she's very smart and sensible. Her thoughts are crystal clear. She knows that कि हर इंसान सेम होता है and she really wants to just achieve her dreams, but उसमें क्या क्या रुकावट आती है, that's everything about our show. So yeah, I'm very excited.
So as you're saying, this character is very contrast to your real life.
Right.
What kind of homework did you do for this role?
I think see, every role I've told you, like I love roles which are different and challenging. For this role, I would say, as I told you, Rani is from Balia. She's Gaunti and she has a Bihari accent. So I was born in Ranchi, but I've been in Mumbai for 14 years. So I've never had that kind of tone. So I sat with my dad when I got this role and I was like, chalo, let's do this. So मैं पापा के साथ बैठी, I've heard him in this past few years. Whenever he's talking to his friends, his buddies, because he's also from Ranchi.
Yes.
Most of his life he was in Ranchi, schooling and everything. So whenever he talks to his buddies, even though उनके दोस्त शायद US में है, हम लोग मुंबई में है, कोई दिल्ली में है, सब लोग वो एक accent में बात करते हैं, जैसे होता है अपने दोस्तों के साथ जैसे आप होते हैं. Of course. So मैंने हमेशा सुना है. I sat with him. I was like, tell me about their body language. कैसे होता था? How do Bihari people react, or how do Bihari people speak? I sat with him because that's the most natural thing I could get from my dad.
True.
Then in our production house, I sat with my director, Sir Anil Sir, who's very nice and he has worked a lot, and even he is a very focused person. He just wants to get 100%, 200% of the show, and I'm very happy about that. We worked on our मतलब कैसा लहजा रहेगा, कैसे वो बैठेगी, कैसे बात करेगी, कैसे चलेगी, it's very different. So we worked on that. I did homework 4 hours at home. I used to go through the script एक बार, then second time I used to do with लहजा, बैठने कैसे है, and you'll see the changes. You will see when you see the show, you could see the elements. So yeah, ये सारी तैयारियां हुई, and it's just the 5th day of shoot, but I am having the time of my life.
Okay. Anushka, अभी का जो सिनेरियो है, it is very confusing क्योंकि 5 महीने already we have been at home without work, doing nothing, and we were forced to stay at home. Nobody was willing to stay at home in those circumstances. लेकिन अब जब लॉकडाउन खुला है, शूटिंग शुरू हुई अगस्त से, अपने आप को कन्विंस करना कितना इजी या डिफिकल्ट रहा to step out and work during this pandemic?
Right. This pandemic is a very different thing that has happened to anybody. किसी ने ऐसे सोचा भी नहीं था, ना कभी ऐसा हुआ है पहले. So I would say 5 months, of course, I thought would be very difficult for me to survive, but instead it was very good. I spent time with my family, learned new skills like painting, piano, and baking, cooking. So I had a great time, 5 months. But from August, I did 2 music videos. I traveled, and then I had my birthday. But birthday I celebrated at home. So first time when I had to move out for shooting, I was of course, I wouldn't say that mast we just took the decision and left. That's not possible. This 5 months you've been at home and suddenly taking the decision that okay, we have to move out now, let's go back to the normal routine. So I just sat with my parents and we discussed. Every time there's a project we discussed, and then we were like now unlock has come. We didn't shoot during lockdown, we shot after Unlock 1. So Unlock 1, when it came and when we heard the rules and regulations ki you can go out for, you know, the timings, and then the rules and regulations are there. If we follow that, if we, you know, if you're disciplined, I think we can work this out. So that's what my parents told me, that if you just go with a very positive mind, that you're working and you're working. I work for my fans. I really want them to see different projects, and Apna Time Bhi Aayega is it's a treat because it's very different. So I was like, nahi, let's do this with all the regulation, you know, rules and regulations. My production house is taking care with all precautions, sanitizer, face mask, and chairs of our own names, something like that. So everything is working out for us, and we are shooting nicely, but with full precautions.
Yeah, so you know, इतने सारे new norms के साथ, guidelines के साथ shoot करते वक्त, is that a much of a distraction sometimes?
I don't think so, क्योंकि क्या होता है जब भी, it's a thing for me. I think action होता है ना, I am in a different world. I just forget what's going on in the world, what Anushka would do right now, or what is going on around. I can't even see the people jo back of the camera. I can just see myself. I can just see the characters who are involved. I just go into the Rani world. So I think after action, I just forget there's any kind of, you know, virus or any kind of distraction. After cut, I immediately wear my mask and I sanitize. So that happens. So that period, I forget. There's no distraction.
Just the last question, what message you want to give, Anushka, to your fans who will be watching you in this show?
All my fans, you guys have supported me so much. Every time whenever I come with a new project, a new achievement, you guys motivate me, support me, and I've said this before, but wherever I was or I am or I'll be in the future is because of you guys and your support. So Apna Time Bhi Aayega is gonna come soon on ZTV from 20th October, Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. Do watch this show. It's a very different Hatke show. It's a very Hatke role, and I hope, like, I am enjoying shooting, I am enjoying experiencing Rani. I hope you guys have a great time watching this show. Please do watch it. Let me know how you all like it. So I'm very excited, and lots of love. And I hope you all, you know, take care of yourself and your family.
Thank you so much, Anushka. All the best for the show, and hope it touches new heights on the TRP charts.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I had a great time. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Take care. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Bye.